Hey guys, welcome back. I do have a problem. I ordered some seat belts and I ordered them from Summit Racing. I ordered them like 9 months ago, so it was forever ago, and I can't really return them. So I'm kind of stuck with them. They're called like Big Boy or a Boy, it's something Boy T or something. But they're nice seat belts, beautiful aviation belts, great seat belts. But I kind of have a problem because they don't have a cover. Even if you paint this, it still looks kind of cheesy in my opinion. Just doesn't look clean when you open the truck door. And for some of you guys, it doesn't really matter. You probably could mount them back here, but it bugs me. I don't like that. It's not very clean. So then I ordered a set from LMC, thinking, hey, they should be close to OEM. They were pretty much the exact same thing with, you know, the GM style belt buckle, but not the GM logo, which I didn't care, but they still look like this. So I didn't like that. What I do like is the stock look. This is the stock seatbelt. You guys all know these seatbelts. It gives it a nice clean look. It's got a cover, just looks better. It's just a better look. And I'm getting the webbing changed. So I found a company, they changed the webbing. I can pick any color webbing I pretty much want, and they have the color that's almost similar to the seats. A few shades lighter it looks like, but same color. This company is Safety Restore. They restore seat belts, they restore airbag modules. I used them for other vehicles, wrecks, vehicles rebuilt, restored titles that the seat belts are locked up on. They rebuild those, but I've never used them for webbing. So decided to use them for webbing. You basically go online, you put in how many seat belts you need, or how many seat belts you're sending, because you have to send them the seat belts so that they can use these components. They rebuild it, use the same latches and everything, and they just make sure everything's in tip-top shape. So that's basically what you do. Then you check out, and then you basically print paper off, you throw it in the box, and you send it to them, you ship it to them, and then once they receive it, 48 hours, they ship it back to you. So pretty quick turnaround, and they've always been pretty quick. So I've been happy with them, so pretty excited to see what these look like, but just kind of wanted to show you what I'm doing, show you the before, and then we'll open the box up and see what they look like when they get here. I got the seat belts back. They come all shrunk wrapped up and ready to go from Safety Restore here. These guys did a great job. This red really pops. Doesn't match the seats 100%, but I just like how bright it is. It really matches the truck really well. So got these guys all back. They look good. They did a great job. The stitching looks good, looks really like it was stock, and they even coated the end of the seat belts here with some rubber coating. So that's a plus. And yeah, here's the other one. So we'll see how this looks, but kind of wanted to show you what it looked like when you unboxed them, and they look good. We'll just kind of install these, see how they work, see how they look, and move along. But I'm super excited. We'll get these put in. So I wanted to let you guys know I did put in the other ones I ordered, just so I can use the truck and drive it safely. I was being impatient, just threw these in, but I'm gonna take them out. But that's basically what you're looking at is that mount on the side. It's kind of tacky. I mean, you could paint it up and it would look better, but I really feel, even though this doesn't match, this still looks better. So just cleans everything up. But just kind of wanted to show you that, and we're get these taken out now. So Well guys, got the seat belts in. Let me kind of show you. All right, well, the seat belts turned out great. I love the red. The red pops in here. It just looks amazing. They did a great job. You still got your stock GM buckles. You still have the stock function. I mean, the interior looks amazing. I'm very pumped, very happy with these seat belts. And Safety Restored did above and beyond. I didn't even know they had a lifetime warranty. So that's who I got these from, and very happy with the final product. It looks great. Truck looks great. Guys, hit subscribe, check out more of the videos, and leave some comments down in the box. Thanks.